How to resolve frozen pipes. Frozen pipes can be a major headache for homeowners, as they can cause significant damage to a property if left unchecked. Fortunately, there are a few steps you can take to resolve frozen pipes. Step 1. Locate the frozen pipe. The first step is to determine where the frozen pipe is located. Look for any signs of frost or ice on exposed pipes or along the walls or floor. You may also hear a hissing sound, indicating that air is getting through a small opening in the pipe. Step 2. Thaw the pipe. Once you have located the frozen pipe, you need to thaw it out. You can do this by either using a space heater, hairdryer, or heated towel. Place the heater or dryer about a foot away from the pipe and slowly move it back and forth until the ice melts. Do not use an open flame or blowtorch, as this can damage the pipe. Step 3. Check for leaks. Once the pipe has been thawed, check for any leaks. If you find a leak, you may need to replace the pipe or have a professional plumber come and repair it. Step 4. Insulate the pipes. To help prevent future freezing of pipes, you should insulate any exposed pipes with foam pipe insulation. Make sure to seal the seams with duct tape or caulk to ensure a tight fit. This will help keep the pipes above freezing temperatures. Additionally, if you have a basement, you can use a dehumidifier to reduce humidity levels, which can also help prevent freezing. Step 5. Turn on the water. Once everything is in place, turn on the water to the affected pipe and check for any leaks. If all is well, you should be good to go. Frozen pipes can be a major problem for homeowners, but with the right steps, you can prevent them or thaw them out quickly and efficiently. Remember to always keep an eye on exposed pipes and to insulate them to prevent future freezing. If you have any questions or concerns, it is always best to contact a professional plumber. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos like this.